Hello and welcome. You're watching Beyond World is One. My name is Heen Corso and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you at this hour. After 248 days of the Gaza war, the United Nations Security Council adopts a US drafted resolution supporting a ceasefire plan in Gaza. The resolution says Israel has accepted the truce deal and calls upon Hamas to also accept it. Hamas welcomes the United Nations Security Council vote, says would like to reaffirm its readiness to cooperate with the brother mediators to enter into indirect negotiations regarding the implementation of the resolution. Four Americans said to be from a university in Iowa reportedly stabbed and wounded in a public park in China, as per US media and officials. No confirmation by Chinese authorities. Commander of the US Indo-Pacific Navy Fleet threatens his military would turn the Taiwan Strait into an unmanned hellscape if China invades. He says the US has plans to deploy thousands of lethal drones in the region. Dr. S. Jaishankar takes charge as India's External Affairs Minister for a second term, marks out Pakistan, China and neighbourhood as key priorities. Other ministers include Rajnath Singh for Defence, Ashwini Vaishnaw for Railways, also to take charge today. Large parts of India under extreme weather alerts. Met Office issues heatwave warnings for 10 states in North India till the 15th of June. Orange alert for heavy rain in 7 states in West and the South. It's a subdued trading session ahead of the Fed's monetary policy decision this week. Investors await commentary on rate cuts as global stocks trade around record highs. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.